Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you're all fine and I hope that you understood last day's lecture quite clearly. If you have any questions, you can ask me, okay? So today we are going to discuss further concepts of pragmatics that are face, politeness and fatigue tokens. Before we start the lecture, I would first like you to see this video because we will make references to this video after this.
यार और सुना आजकल क्या ट्रैकर से मुझसे करना नहीं, इस तरह की बेहुदा मैं नहीं करता। यार तू सिगरेट पीना छोड़ क्यों नहीं देता?
सिगरेट ब्रो मैं ड्रग्स करता हूँ।
ड्रग्स करता है? हाँ, पिछले 3 महीनों से मैंने तुझे एक दिन स्कूल आते नहीं देखा।
यार मुझे अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को टाइम देना होता है, स्कूल आके मैं क्या करूँ?
जैद बेटा, मेरे अब्बू आ गए। ओह अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
जैद भाई मैं आपसे कब से कह रहा हूँ कि हम अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम अंकल, अंकल को सलाम करो। अंकल मेरा ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में दाखिला हुआ है, मेरे 97.8% आए अंकल।
ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में? माशाल्लाह बेटा।
ये सब आपने क्या उठाया है? मैं आपकी आके मदद कर देता हूँ।
बेटा जीते रहो। देखा ना, बेटा हो ना तो इस तरह का हो। मेरे नसीब में तो तेरी जैसी गंदी औलाद लिखी हुई थी ना। चलो बेटा इसको मार।
Okay, so the first concept that we are going to study today is face and pragmatics. Face is a specific image we present to another person. We have a desire to be seen in a certain way by certain people. As you saw in the video that the guy called Shabir Jafri, he was very casual in front of his friend. He wanted his friend to see him in a certain way. But when his father came, Zaid Ali's father came, he changed himself. लाइक बिफोर दिस इन द बिगनिंग बिल्कुल एक जो है लोफर किस्म का बंदा ऐसे ही अपना एक परसेप्शन बना रहा था जैद अली के सामने, लेकिन जैसे ही जैद अली के फादर आते हैं ही चेंजेस हिज कलर्स और एक डिफरेंट किस्म का अपना परसेप्शन जो है जैद अली के फादर के सामने बनाना शुरू कर देते हैं. Now, according to Goffman, face is a positive public image you seek to establish in social interactions. In meeting us, the face or image you want us to observe might be that of an intelligent, inquisitive, polite, and articulate student. That it means that whenever you meet someone, you always want the concerned person to see you in a particular manner. Let's suppose in front of teacher you might want her or him to see you as an intelligent person. Again, let's suppose you are going for a job interview, you would want the interviewers to see you as a very intelligent or a good person. Let's suppose it's a funny example कि अगर किसी का रिश्ता आ रहा है और लोग रिश्ता देखने आ रहे हैं तो people would always try to make the others see the other people कि वो हमें अच्छा समझें, वो हमें polite समझें, they consider as good people. अच्छा, we present a particular face image when interacting with another person and that face can vary depending on the situation and relationship. Again, अगर आप वो वीडियो जहन में अगर आपके है तो उसमें यही चीज़ है कि whenever we are interacting with different people, we tend to have a different face. We want people to different people to view us in a different manner. We want our friends to see in a different manner. We want our family to see us in a different manner. Acha, these things will be explained further if you see these two memes. The first one says the Japanese say you have 3 faces. The first face you show to the world, the second face you show to your close friends and your family, the third face you never show anyone. It is the truest reflection of who you are. And another 7 billion people but 14 billion faces. Why there are 14 billion faces? Maybe there are even more faces because everyone tends to show themselves differently in front of different people. Now we have a positive face, the desire to be seen as competent and desire to have our face accepted, and a negative face, a desire for autonomy and to preserve the status quo. Face threatening acts occur which cause a loss of face, damage of positive face, leading to the use of facework strategies to repair and restore our face. Now, we tend to have two kinds of faces. The first one is जिसमें we want people to see as good people, and the second one is जिसमें हम we don't care about people, we only care about ourselves, and we don't care कि लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, और we want to have our मतलब we want to हम अपने जो है अगर जो हमारे values हैं, अगर हमारे कोई opinions है, we bluntly tell the people about it and we do not care what they think about us. Acha, again you can see these pictures. The first one says it is the first picture shows a positive face in which the cat says, I just want people to love me. The second picture is showing a negative face. I can't tell you the key to success, but the key to failure is trying to please everyone. Obviously, when you want to have a positive face, you would like to please people, but if you have a negative face, you won't have that attribute. Then the third picture shows a face threatening act in which someone is criticizing this woman, and the meme says that someone on the internet disagrees with me. So when we want to have a positive face, we do not want people to disagree with us or damage our positive face. As Brown and Levinson maintain that face is a public self-image that every member of society wants to claim for himself. We have discussed this. Again, face consists of two related aspects, positive and negative face. And from the point of view of positive face, we want to receive acknowledgement from others that we are liked, accepted as a part of a group, and that our wants are understood by them. Then we have in case of negative face, we want to be independent and not have our actions imposed on by others. Another way to think of negative face is that we each want to do what we want and we want other people to let us do it. I have already explained all these things, so I don't think I need to explain them further, but again I would say if you are confused, you can message me and I'll explain it to you. Next we have politeness. Politeness strategies are speech acts that express concern for others and minimize threats to self-esteem in particular social context. These are the speech acts जहाँ पे हम लोगों का भी सोचते हैं that we try to show them concern, and हम ये भी देखते हैं, हम ये भी कोशिश करते हैं कि we ourselves are not damaged, या हमारी self respect, हमारी self esteem जो है वो किसी जो है वो एक communication में hurt ना हो. It refers to linguistic choices that show concern for others, give others a space and a friendly attitude. Politeness में ऐसे speech acts या ऐसी communication cues आते हैं जिसमें you are very concerned, आप हमेशा ऐसे ही अल्फाज चूज करते हो जिसमें you show concern for others, you show kindness to others, you let others be the way they are, and you also have a very friendly attitude. The most influential theory of politeness was formulated in 1978 and revised in 1987 by Brown and Levinson. Brown and Levinson defined politeness as a complex system for softening face-threatening behavior. Face threats usually produce feelings of embarrassment, shame, humiliation, agitation, confusion, and defensiveness. Obviously, if someone tries to threaten your face, or if someone makes you embarrassed, or threaten your positive face, then these are the likely outcomes of that action, and you might feel embarrassed, you might feel ashamed, you might feel offended, humiliated, insulted, agitated, confused, infuriated, and defensiveness can also come from that. You can see the pictures, okay. There are certain linguistic choices that show concern for others, or that show some kind words by the ones who are saying them. Like the first picture shows some polite phrases such as may I, thank you, please, could you, Then we have don't worry, or are you okay, or everything will person is very rudely saying that you are so funny, see how much I laugh. So this person is basically making the listener embarrassed that whatever you said was not funny, and in his presupposition he's saying that it was not at all funny, or that you are not at all funny. Acha. Then we have positive politeness strategies and negative politeness strategies. Positive politeness strategies are intended to avoid giving offense by highlighting friendliness. These strategies include juxtaposing criticism with compliments. For example, yeah, I might be a bit dumb, but you look gorgeous. Establishing common ground, trying to make develop something or a communication जिसमें आपकी जो है कुछ म्यूचुअलिटी आ जाए, कुछ आप लोग की जो है कुछ कॉमन डिस्कशन आ जाए, सिर्फ उसमें डिफरेंसेस ही ना आए. Then using jokes, nicknames, honorifics जैसे आप या पश्तो में तासो, टैग क्वेश्चंस, ये जो है अमूमन आप जो है बहुत पोलाइटली जब आप किसी से कुछ डिस्कशन वगैरह करना चाहते हो और आप जो है पोलाइटली उनको ओपिनियन जानना चाहते हो, तो यू आस्क क्वेश्चन के ऐसा ठीक है, इज दैट राइट, डू यू एग्री, आप इस चीज़ से एग्री करते हो कि नहीं, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. एंड स्पेशल डिस्कोर्स मार्कर्स सच एज प्लीज एंड इन ग्रुप जार्गन एंड स्लैंग. हमेशा अमूमन हर ग्रुप की डिफरेंट एक कुछ लैंग्वेज होती है, एक जार्गन होती है, एक पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन होता है. आप लोग के अपने फ्रेंड्स में भी ग्रुप्स में एक अपना स्टाइल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन होगा. सो जब भी आप चाहते हैं कि कोई जो है अनफ्रेंडली इन्वायरमेंट ना बने, nobody's positive face is threatened, so you usually make use of all these strategies, and you also make use of your own jargon and slang that is very particular to your group. For instance, a popular if sometimes controversial feedback strategy is a feedback sandwich, a positive comment before and after a criticism. The reason this strategy is often criticized in management circle is because it is in fact more of a politeness strategy than a usual feedback strategy. As you can see in the picture, feedback sandwich में ये है कि when you are trying to criticize someone, तो आप बिल्कुल bluntly उनको criticize ना करें, बल्कि पहले आप उनकी कुछ तारीफ करें कि this habit of yours is very good, आपकी ये आदत बहुत अच्छी है, ये आदत भी बहुत अच्छी है, आप सच बोलते हैं, आप जो है सफाई का बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं. एंड देन आप जो है एक नेगेटिव फीडबैक पे आ जाओ, आप उनसे कहो कि ये आपकी आदतें बहुत अच्छी हैं, लेकिन एक आप में बुरी आदत ये है कि आप जो है बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा हो जाते हो, ठीक है. और फिर उसके बाद जो है आप 2-3 और उनको जो है कुछ पॉजिटिव फीडबैक दे दो, तो उससे ये फ़ायदा होता है दैट द पर्सन विद होम यू आर टॉकिंग, जिसको आप क्रिटिसाइज करो, दे आर नॉट ऑफेंडेड. समटाइम्स दिस स्ट्रेटजी इज़ कंसिडर्ड अ कंट्रोवर्शियल वन बिकॉज सम पीपल थिंक कि ये यूजुअल फीडबैक नहीं बनता, बिकॉज आप इतनी अच्छाइयाँ गिनवा देते हो या ब्लंट नहीं होते, तो दैट पर्सन इज़ नॉट एज अफेक्टेड एज ही और शी मस्ट बी. Negative politeness strategies. Negative politeness strategies are intended to avoid giving offense by showing deference. These strategies include questioning, hedging, presenting disagreements as opinions. Politeness strategies are oriented towards the hearer's negative phase and emphasize avoidance of imposition on the hearer. By attempting to avoid imposition from the speaker, the risk of face threat to the hearer is reduced. ठीक है कि इसमें negative politeness strategies जो हैं वो अमूमन as it is said, it is inclined towards the hearer's negative phase. आप जो है अपनी बात करते भी हो, लेकिन you try कि आप उन पे अपनी बात जो है वो impose ना करो, ताकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा offend ना हो जाए, उनको बुरा ना लगे. जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ I respectfully disagree. hedging एक वर्ड है यहाँ पे यूज हुआ है. hedging is the use of linguistic devices to express hesitation or uncertainty as well as to demonstrate politeness and indirectness. कि इसमें ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जैसे आप बोलो कि usually it happened, it seems कि ये ऐसा हुआ. One possible explanation is like this. जब भी आप इसमें ये है कि जब भी आप कोई डिस्कशन वगैरह कर रहे हो, ठीक है, तो बजाय इसके कि आप ब्लंट हो जाओ, बजाय इसके कि आप जो है ऐसे सख्त अल्फाज इस्तेमाल करो, द बेस्ट थिंग इज़ टू यूज़ सच डिवाइसेस सच एज हेजिंग, जिसमें आप इस तरह बोलो कि मुझे ये लगता है कि शायद ये ऐसा करना ठीक है, या ये काम ऐसे भी अगर हो जाए तो ज़्यादा बेहतर होगा अगर, ठीक है. यू माइट हैव सच एग्जांपल्स अराउंड यू, you can discuss it with your class fellows as well. अच्छा, apart from that, let's suppose you are you do not agree with something, तो बजाय इसके कि आप rude हो जाओ, you just say कि अच्छा I don't agree with this whatever you are saying, मेरा opinion ये है कि ये फलां काम जो है ऐसे ऐसे होना चाहिए. So whatever you are doing, you are trying not to impose yourself on the hearer in negative politeness strategy. Acha, next we have phatic tokens. Phatic communication is popularly known as small talk, the non-referential use of language to share feelings or establish a mood of sociability rather than to communicate information or ideas. Phatic communication is made in order to increase cordiality with others through what we call fun talk or chit chat. The ritualized formulas of phatic communication, such as and have a nice day, are generally intended to attract the attention of the listener, or prolonged communication, also known as phatic speech, phatic communication, phatic language, social tokens, and chit chat. सिंपली हम हमेशा लैंग्वेज जो है वो इसलिए नहीं बोलते कि वी जस्ट शेयर इन्फॉर्मेशन नॉलेज विद ईच अदर, बल्कि कभी कभी हम जो है कम्युनिकेशन इसलिए भी करते हैं कि हम एक फ्रेंडली इन्वायरमेंट बना दें, और वी जस्ट ट्राई टू प्रोलॉन्ग द कन्वर्सेशन. लेट सपोज आप किसी के साथ बैठे हुए हो, कोई आपके घर मेहमान आया है, फर्स्ट टाइम मेहमान आया है, सो इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू open up a conversation with them. So you start to have some small talk कि अच्छा आप कहाँ से आई हैं, वहाँ का मौसम कैसा है, यहाँ का मौसम कैसा लगा आपको, यहाँ ये जगह कैसी लगी. देयर इज़ नथिंग इन इट कि जिसमें आपको ऐसा कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है आप शेयर कर रहे हो, बल्कि यू आर जस्ट मेकिंग स्मॉल टॉक. या आपको खाने में क्या पसंद है, आप जो है आपकी हॉबीज़ क्या हैं, दीज आर ऑल स्मॉल टॉक. ठीक है, सो दीज आर मेड इन ऑर्डर टू prolong the conversation, as well as to get the attention of the listener, and to make a friendly chat, and to increase cordiality or friendship with each other. So that's it. I hope you understand all this. I hope you understood all this. If you have any question, again I would say just message me and I will clarify all things. Thank you so much.